Wow.
Serial number 10. 258. 264. 269. 285. 294. 309.
Okay.
320. Okay, sir.
Okay. Go ahead. Okay. All the best. Don't break the line. Okay. Don't break the line up to finishing point. Okay. Basket down, please.
Teman-teman step kenyere suaka 10,000 meter.
From outside, you enjoyed the
Sespang
weather
latihan
out
sedang
here
hi.
in West Giant Hills.
Tu player lah dan
I
pemeran.
hope it'll be a remarkable one. Our members,
Latihan sedang garis.
participants for the 10,000 meters men category. With bib number 120 is Junam Power of East Giant Hills.
Is giant
Bib
hill.
number 122 Kanelang Power of East Giant Hills.
Is giant hill.
Bib number 144 of belongs to Daniel Lengdok Walam of
Okay,
East
tu.
Khas Hills Athletic
Job ya ka
Association.
5,000 meter. Menen
With
kesini
bib
Daniel
number
Walang.
190 Lapan Krang Haba of Riboy District. Bib number
Okay.
193 Monas Bongrung of Riboy District. Bib number 219 Inver G. Marak of South Garo Hills. 233 Bhisma Dev Hajong of Southwest Garo Hills. Bib number 256 Hepstar Lee Lengkoi.
Okay.
And bib number 258 Crestar John Pathau, both of Southwest Khasi Hills. Bib number 264 Betmar A. Samma. And bib number 269 Macmillan B. Marak, both of West Garo Hills District. Bib number 285 David Kar and 294 Taebok Lang Biam, both of West Giant Hills. Bib number 309 Banjab Lang Wanyang and bib number 320 Wanbok L Mauplang, both of West Khasi Hills. So all the best to you
Okay,
boys.
kau West Roy dan Chansi. Oh, lah sedang.
Good morning, athlete. All the best. Ready? On your mark.
Come on, Nolabas.
Bonbong, jajai.
Come on. te arngon nakman la let Ibu District Wat West Khasi Hills man kenang bun kelap atu arpo mars arpo lap trainang habi ajeng arpo lap
Pathau, Daniel.
Berebut crash terjun Daniel tebok lang 8 krau yebut dong tuh tanbeng 8 krau
Come on, Daniel.
oke lanjut Daniel 19 lap sekarang kendai lap yang sa tuh dengan patau Daniel patau tebok lang kat pralap kat nyulap nasa
Daniel, Daniel, ada kopiah. Mata Andre, kita cuma Andre minus kilo. Mata Andre.
Come on, Daniel. Daniel.
Come on. Kong bar. Tu balai na west. Kasan ram. Kasan lam. Tu west Jaintiar ngut tu southwest tu Hepsterly. Ya buat. Ang buat makalam. Tu overlap shi lap itu. Okay. Overlap ini. Come on. 5 second, come on. Tu kong bar. Balai besar. Come on, come on. Nang bun.
Come on, Hep. Get the bed.
Oh, tam cengai. Oh, sepak metal aja tam. Bisa overlap yang kita ngut. Oh, sanpo meter tam. Dari sepak meter. Ala jan sepak meter. Jan setam sepak meter balai. Khat saulam 14 laps to go, huh? Okay, come on. Itu benkong bar. Atam 4 meter. Okay, this awan balai buham. Come on, Hep, come on. 14 laps to go, come on. Balai besar itu. Get up. Tam. Come on, Daniel. Okay, dah dapat 6 meter ya. 6 meter tam. Itu teh 6 meter. Take. Come on. Insya overlap begini ha, udah berendap. Play besar. Come on. Sakit way 1 kilometer penduna biang.
Daniel.
Chet plat kesini terkadang. Come on, jai baik yang bun. 1 kilometer tam. Masya tam si 100 meter, 150 meter lah tam. Masya Allah dari Bengkong. Come on. Ajan overlap itu lawan biang. Huge gap. Nang 1 kilometer tam, 2 kilometer. Huge gap tam. Nang pun haga. Dah sakat way. 10 lap sa shpo. Oh, lap klikangin argot. Ajan overlap. 9 lap to go, 9 laps. Overlap itu. Ini nang 10 laps, turun nang 10 laps. Oh, jantam ars pametar lagi, balai besar. Ars pametar lah lit. Dan hadu dadap kin sa overlap baik. Kita balai besar nanti. Okay, lajan 300 meter plus. Rashid Kesni, Balai, Besau, Besan. Come on! Tugas Arngut, Sabgas Brang. Tugas yang jaban riu. Stay rajan overlap, yo tebok lang. Ini kong baar. Insya overlap baik jam competition lagi nih baar kene ben kong baar. Kita kamdan power kita hila, yo. Oke lalit. Oke, 300 meter kita bani tin apa dikur. Tay dikur kini 4 meter. Come on up, come on. Sausan. Tuh lajan overlap. View nomor bandriu. Good.
Come on, Daniel, chal bhai. Chal.
Dan back tebok. Kini. Mulai usaha santai lewat tanu dan west hasil. 7 lap. Ayo usaha santai kini balai langut. Kita dah jenam biang kong baar tu la overlap itu tebok lang syaitan silap ini sandulam lalai spamita ada gini balai sobsannya kini baik kita pun bagi bab come on 5 come on Tunadin san pomitar ajanap san lap langsung hit yo silap tekentan lagi teh tu mulai besar tan beng tu kini ini kong bar Belai besar-besaran. Come on. Jangan nak dah ni. Shit bahan tu. Sanlap ni solap itu. Come on. 4 laps to go, come on. Wei ai sosan teh silap syaitan dia kena overlap to southwest East Khasi Hill, Balai West Khasi Hill, Besar West Khasi Hill dan southwest biang. Oh ini begini di kembang dah. Oh late 5 laps to go. Two laps to go, come on. Bersama lagi west, east, southwest, west.
I request all the police personnel who are on duty to kindly report backstage here.
Tuh
I
ditanya
request all the police
Last one lap.
personnel who are on duty to kindly report backstage here. Thank you.
last one lap. Kang Bar. Lap setan. Oh. Oh. FR. Oh, Hong Kong terjun bahannya. Sebelah West Castle Hill. Last lap. Balai. Besar bersama Ham. 4 menit pendap live 4 menit pendap tu benikong bar keju ada menit gini ro
Gue pergi cari kerja ni.
pesan good
Enak semar aku jawab ya keras.
I request Madam Stephanie Rassang, the DSO of Florida, kindly give the medals to the winner. And I request Kemiki Pasi, athletic coach, to please accompany me. Completing the race at 34 minutes 26.13 seconds, the bronze medal goes to Wanbok El Mauplang of West Castle Hills. At a timing of 34 minutes 13.48 seconds, the silver medal goes to Banjok Langwanyang of West Castle Hills. And taking away the gold medal for the 10,000 meters at a timing of 32 minutes 20 seconds, 0.39 seconds is Cresta June Pathau of Southwest Castle Hills.